Today is a very exciting day. My good friend Benta is going to be teaching me, actually for the second time because she showed me once before, but she's going to be showing me again how to make chicken yassa, a traditional African dish. My family has been here in Gambia for about 5 months now. My husband and I moved from the United States to Gambia with our 8 children. So far, we are loving it here in Gambia, myself as well as the rest of my family. We're absolutely loving it here in Gambia. But today is a very special day. I'm very blessed to have my good friend Benta, who is going to allow me to record our cooking lesson today on me learning how to make the traditional chicken yassa. Benta was actually my very first friend that I made here in Gambia. She's the one that helped me do all of my shopping when I first got here. She helped me shop like literally every time I went to the store for about a whole month straight when I first got here, when we first moved here from the US. It was very difficult for me to do my shopping because of course like I don't speak the local language. It was a huge help with me doing my shopping. She basically helped me do everything that I needed to learn how to do when I first got here from the US. And so far she's teaching me everything that I need to learn how to do to try to learn how to be an African woman. So I'm very grateful for my friend Benta, and I'm so excited to be learning how to make chicken yassa. But I love food. I'm a big foodie. I'm actually one of those people who take a picture of probably almost everything that I eat. I love healthy food in particular, and that probably has to do with me being a lifestyle coach and a health coach, but I take a lot of pictures of my food. And so doing this video on food, and then healthy food, and then healthy traditional African food is just super exciting for me. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video that we'll be making together.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Binta. I'm going to teach my friend how to make chicken yassa. Special one today. He's my best friend. I really like her and I really love her so much. Yeah. Today I'm going to show you how we're going to cook African chicken yassa, inshallah. I'm here right now at his place. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Benta. I love you too. These are the vegetables that we are going to use for the chicken yassa.
Yeah.
All right, these are the vegetables. So right now we're just gonna cut up the vegetables.
Don't cut anything.
Oh my God, I got kicked off of the cutting board. I can't cut anything.
Oh my gosh, he's messing everything up.
She said my American skills, and I'm ashamed of these onions though. I'm ashamed of that onion. God. Okay, fine. I won't cut. You cut.
This is too much.
I was trying to do it fast.
I'm just cutting it with my hands. But you, oh my God, you cannot even cut this simple onion. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Well, I'm gonna learn.
You have to learn.
I'm gonna learn from my. You're gonna teach me how to do it the African way.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yeah. I'm gonna say, don't cut yourself.
Yes. Oh, that's what I did. I got this bowl so I could move this.
You buy a very nice green pepper.
Green pepper, yeah.
So nice. For the onion.
Mm-hmm.
For your bad onion.
So I can get the messy onions out of the way. Okay, since we have to have fancy onion, I will let you cut the fancy onion the African way.
Yeah. I'm coming to cut the onions. Let me make my hijab.
Oh, okay. I'm starting to feel like I don't know how to cook.
Oh my God.
She doesn't use a cutting board, guys. You said the cutting board is too much stress. It's too much stress. She doesn't like it.
No, I doesn't like it.
She says it's easier to do it like this with her hands. Inshallah, one day I will be. You think I can do it? I'll be able to do it one day. Inshallah. Garlic.
This is for salad.
Thank you so much, Zainab. Thank you.
But it just needs to dry.
Okay. Okay, here is just how she washes the vegetables.
Yeah.
In the bucket there. I should have warned you. I'm sorry, Vincent. Don't be rolling your eyes at me.
Here I'm cutting the chicken. We are not using the legs chicken. We are just using the breast of the chicken.
Because I got the wrong one.
Yeah. No, it's good.
It's good?
This one cooked very fast. So, but I'm not cutting it small.
Okay, it's good. However you think is good.
This is the white potato that I'm just cutting.
Mom, you this is mango. Mom, we have this mango.
That is not good.
Yes, I did.
It's not right, Mariama.
I did it.
So
Okay, what are you going to do now?
I'm going to put the black pepper and mix it with green pepper, green onion.
Issa,
Hey,
Issa, move. It's pepper.
Pepper.
What is this here?
It's black pepper.
No, the thing that you're using.
Which one? The Africans?
What is, you gotta tell them, what is it?
I don't know, probably I don't know how to speak in English, but though if you want, I can speak in Fula.
Yes, and full of.
This one is for the African. We use this one to palm anything what we are cooking. We will use this one. So us Fulas, I'm Fula. Us Fulas, we call it Wouru. This is Wouru.
Woru.
Yeah. I'm having this one for 5 years now.
5 years,
Yeah,
mashallah.
I'm using this one.
I can't wait to get one.
Inshallah. African here, you cannot cook without this one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What's it called again? Woru.
Wouru.
Woru.
Yeah.
The African pounder.
Yeah.
Woru.
Wouru, yeah.
Wouru.
Some people call it bobu. Bobu also. They call it, yeah. But me, I know it with wouru. So here is my green onion. So I have brown pepper and garlic. I'm going to mix it. This is
Garlic.
Yeah. So I'm going to mix it together. You see, I just put it all together.
And the black pepper in the
black
bottom.
Pepper, yeah. So I'm going to mix it together, all together.
This is the African way, guys.
Yeah.
If you want to make homemade paste, this is the way to do it.
Yeah.
Okay. It smells so good, mashallah. It smells so delicious. See, guys, homemade paste.
Yeah. Put in the chicken so
And
I can mix it together.
That's the mix that she was pounding.
Yeah. At the stove, put in the oil. This oil is my favorite oil. I love this oil, and it's the best. Best oil. So that if you eat in this one every time, you will get more healthy.
Oh, yeah.
That's good.
We love to be healthy.
Okay.
The oil is for
the chicken.
For the chicken.
But I will fry first the potato. So before I will fry the chicken. So I'm just frying the potato first.
Potato.
Yeah.
The white potato and the sweet potato.
White potato. Here is the potato, the white potato. Now it's ready. So I was missing salt. Now I already got my salt. I have to mix it together. Time for me to fry the chicken.
She's frying the chicken now. No flour.
No. The tomato, I want to put it in the oil so it can brown a little bit.
The African way, guys.
Yeah.
This is the paste that Binta that she was pounding in the African pounder. So she just put it here on top of the veggies that she cut up. And this is a bouillon. This is her secret ingredients she's putting on top. And this one is mustard, Binta. Yeah? It's mustard? Oh, it smells so good.
Mmm.
Look at this flourless fried chicken and deep fried potatoes. That's it. Pause?
Yeah.
No. Okay, well, let me show you mix it first.
Zainab says
Tomatoes. This is the oil that she fried the chicken and the deep fried the potatoes in. So now she's just adding that tomato. The tomatoes cooked down.
Yeah. Here is the water. And to put in.
You think it'll fit? Oh yeah, it'll fit. You need more water or no?
Yeah, I will add some.
Yeah.
Okay, this is what it's from. You know, now I have to cover this.
Mm-hmm. Oh my God, it looks so good, Binta. Wow, mashallah. Traditional African food, Yassa.
Yeah. Finished
Alhamdulillah.
now, everybody.
Thank you so much,
so
Binta. Thank you
You're
for teaching us
welcome.
how to make Yassa.
You're welcome. You're only friend. I will do anything for you.
Oh,
inshallah.
Binta, thank you so much. So nice.